You join me with a box, and inside it is a motherboard. This is a pretty fancy Z97 that is rather dirty from ASRock. In fact, it's the Extreme 4. But it's been used for a good couple of years and thus all the dust. I think this could do with a good cleaning. Yeah, just look at all that dust caked in under the CPU. And this heat paste is very dry and cracked. I think it should go in the dishwasher along with this AMD cooler that's already waiting. Now, I wasn't expecting a delivery of a mouse, but oh no. Oh no, yeah, kom hier. Ja. Oh, do it. Damn it. Nee, kan niet dit niet. As with all our hopes and dreams, flushed away. Not a bad movie, by the way. Damn it. Okay, so back to the CPU cooler. I think this load is ready to go. Shut it. And let's see what CPU we are working with here. i5 4690. Not a bad processor. Yes, the color matches. Yeah, it's very important to make sure the colors match. That way you know the heat paste will work with your CPU. Always like to get a bit of pre-paste off the tip. This board is really cool. It's got a power button on the board, but it only works if the power supply is switched on. And we've got a fan, but no life otherwise. Well, this was a power supply that came with this board and the system was given to me as dead, so let's try a different power supply and it seems we've got success. At least the postcode analyzer on the... there it is. Postcode's on the motherboard and we have a post screen. So let's see what the issue is with this power supply that came with this motherboard. And very sneakily the screws is mounted under the label. But is your warranty void if there are no labels to begin with? And immediately looking inside this, I can see a burnt diode up there in the corner. Yeah, that could just be heat or it could be done for. I'm not a power supply expert, so I think I'm going to salvage what I can salvage here. And this can go in the recycle bin. I was quite surprised to see that even on this Haswell board, ASRock included their internet flash. Unfortunately, the service that runs it is dead, but it did scan my removable drive, and the update was go. Right, so with this board up and running, I decided it needs a proper case to show off its extreme nature. And for that I got this Antec along with a big 12 centimeter RGB Cooler Master cooler. nice bit of peel action. Oh yeah. And this is our finished product, a really nice looking 4th gen Haswell build. This is looking super gamery with all the RGB you can get. It looks even more impressive in the dark. Well, that's it for this build. Thanks very much for watching. If you'd like to see more videos, please check out the next one. But that was not the end of this build, because a short while later I received this in the mail from the USA.